we're going to do a flip the boat. We're gonna go into the computer here in the garage thing, I guess you'd call it, or really your shop where you fix the boat. Get my salt 21 flat that needs to be fixed. I'm just gonna cover off. Take this lower off, take that off. All these boats might be a little bit different, but you just gotta kind of just take all the little parts off. And doing your inventory thing. All these little pieces back on the motor. So we got drop that, so you gotta take this part off. You can change the lower unit or the water pump and the propeller, and take your hood off so you can get all these little pieces out. You don't have to put this back on the boat. You can just click return and customize. And this paintbrush down here in the corner of your screen, click that. Materials, go metals, and click the big rusty parts. Every boat is different. And then after that, just like all of that. So now that all of that is done, you come in here and you'll click sell. That's how you fix the boats, and then, or at least do all that, and you just click sell in there. This is the little door how you get in there.